we go. Crazy TY.
Very irresponsible biker who took his
Okay, no helmet.
acting like that.
Okay. You got a passenger on the back. Are we gonna act like an idiot? Yes, we are. Let's do it. Woo! Very dumb. Anyways, this is the thing lots of riders fear, manage to get out of the situation in one piece. All right, here we go. So 35. Oh, watch out, big open lane. Remember, big open lane. They want to come into that lane, okay? You got to be watching out for that. He did a good job with the good braking. Here we go. Completely wrong lane, roundabout cuts the exit. Uncommon thing in a common situation. Let's see what happens here. Okay, big open lane. There it is. They want to go into the open lane, but possibly even switch over to the other side. Did a good job with that escape path. Did a great job with that escape path. Closest. Oh, good job. You started to brake, so just in case that person kept going, he could have squeezed even further and stopped beforehand. So he did a good job. Good job.
Himself stated he was too tired and shouldn't have gone out that day. He quickly realized that it was a big mistake and learned a costly lesson.
Okay, we learned a costly lesson. Let's hopefully we don't do it again. So he went a little wide, and he's gonna go wide here. So what happens is that if you screw up that first turn, you're probably not set up for the next turn, which is what happened here. So if you could practice that in a parking lot by doing the straight line weave. So taking the first few easy, you should be able to make the rest. But go ahead and on your straight line weave in a parking lot, take the first one a little too fast. You're gonna realize you can make that first one, maybe make the second cone, but then you're gonna go wide for the rest. So it's all about prep. It's all about prep. Moving it here. Hopefully he's fine. Looks like he's got some good gear. Went a little wide. Okay, we all have our buddies here to rescue each other. Let's go ahead and rescue them. Let's remain calm, ensure our own safety. If there's any major bleeds, make sure you guys grab yourself a rescue pack before you go out riding so you can stop those bleeds. Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Good job with the swerve. You switched lanes. Switch back, switch back. You're in the wrong side of the road. Switch back, switch back, switch back. That's the problem, is that you go in there and swerve. You gotta swerve back. So Syrian McGarry, how we doing this? Let's see. Got a little camera off to the side. We got brake lights. Here we go. Okay, go ahead and plan your ride a little bit better. There you go. So you position for safety. You can see stuff. That's really good. He did really good for brake pressure, but he planned his ride really well. So he positioned for safety, and he's going to watch out for hazards. Very good. We got another issue coming up. We're just going to keep going. We're going to pad the time limit. Motostars. Here we go. Moving on. So watch out for the right-hand turn. Slow, straight. Not straight. Car was over the line. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what the heck happened here. So that was a slow right-handed turn. Intersections, orange stage. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. They got into our lane. Switch lanes. Non-issue. We shouldn't have to be slamming the brakes when we have escape paths to the left and right. So take the left one. Just move over. You don't have to slam the brakes, okay?